Hey everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we're making a homemade barbecue sauce that is both sweet and spicy. But I will show you at the end of the recipe how you can adjust it to your own heat levels. For me, it's extra spicy. So this has a good spice level for me. It's got 4 habanero peppers in there. If you guys are looking for a hotter version of this recipe, you can either include more habanero peppers or go hotter with maybe like a 7-pot pepper, or ghost peppers are good too. If you're looking for a milder version, you can either cut back on or skip the habanero peppers altogether and just focus on the jalapeno heat, which is pretty good. Or if you're really looking for more of a no heat version, just go with a sweet bell pepper and you'd be good to go. It's delicious either way. Enjoy!